It's been so long that I've been searching for a safe place of rest for my heart. I've torn many hearts in search of love. Oh, the many scars upon my heart is just so clear. Yes, I've been wrong, but I'm still strong. Sometimes I cry, but I still try until I find the heart that complements mine. Compatibility, I've come to know, it's deeper than the skin. It's not on the face, nor on the surface, but in all the things that I do wrong. Here is my heart crying out, reaching out for someone to love, someone to trust. Wanna be a friend even when the pain is as constant as the rain. Here is my heart crying out, reaching out for someone to love, someone to trust. Wanna be a friend even when the pain is as constant as the steady rain. I've often wondered if my stars will change and take a turn of grace to this place. This emptiness I carried on so long, whether I'm eating or drinking or driving, just anyway. I don't wanna cry anymore. I don't wanna cry anymore. It's got to be right. Please, Lord, just help me. Help me find the one that complements my heart. Here is my heart crying out, reaching out for someone to love, someone to trust. Wanna be a friend even when the pain is as constant as the rain. Here is my heart crying out, reaching out for someone to love, someone to trust. Wanna be a friend even when the pain is as constant as the steady rain. Is as constant. Is as constant as the steady. Is as constant as a steady rain. Is as constant as the steady. Oh, is as constant as a steady rain. Is as constant as the steady rain. Is as constant as the steady rain. Is as constant as the steady. Oh, is as constant as a steady rain. Is as constant as the steady. Is as constant as a steady rain. Is as constant as the steady. Is as constant as a steady rain. Is as constant as the steady. Oh, is as constant as a steady rain. Is as constant as the steady. No, is as constant as the steady rain.
Thank you, thank you.
Asia and her crew, you are most amazing.
truly serenading Nigeria and the world via your amazing effervescent breakfast show, Weekend Deal.